All right, ladies and gentlemen, Dave 2D in the house. We're gonna play a little game today. Everyone's talking about the hole punch, double hole punch, Galaxy situation. This is the best time right now to evaluate the current state of notches, and we're gonna play a little game, Guess That Notch, with Mr. Dave 2D. We've got a monitor in front of us here, and we're gonna cycle through some popular notches. Willie Do is on the ones and twos. He's gonna DJ for us. We have our first notch on the display right now. You know this notch. You love this notch.
Am I guessing? You're guessing?
No, you're guessing. You're the contestant here. I can come in and help. I'm the call a friend. I'm the lifeline.
I'm pretty sure this is the 10R. Okay.
Wow, wow! By today's standards, that notch is looking a little big. You know this one, I know this one.
The Pixel 3 XL.
Pixel 3, is this the ugliest notch?
I would say yes. Not just because of its size, but like the way that it just disrupts the you know?
I think Google's gonna be happy to forget this particular notch. In the future, when I use this phone, I actually turned off the notch.
It's gotta be the 6T.
I say that too.
Because of the
I support you.
The Google search bar up there.
I support you. OnePlus 6T.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is my current favorite notch.
Well designed.
Yeah.
Aesthetically pleasing.
What were they calling it, Will? What was the name?
Teardrop.
You're a teardrop guy, aren't you?
Yeah, teardrop guy. Even the name is like gentle.
The princess girl in Never-Ending Story. Look at the teardrop.
Okay.
Okay, she's very upset. So this is obviously where OnePlus took their inspiration from.
Okay.
All right, what do you got next, Will?
Ooh.
We're getting deeper in the notch game right now.
So I'm going with the 5T.
I'm gonna say this is a Zen phone.
Oh!
I have this phone somewhere.
I didn't like this phone very much. I didn't use it much.
I know this phone.
I don't know it.
Mate 20.
He's so proud of himself. He's so proud of himself. What was it? What gave it away? What gave it away?
Yeah, the red button.
Okay.
First the red button, and then of course the skin.
Essential.
That is an iconic
classic,
notch.
Man. I'd say one of the best, not just a good one.
This phone, there was something about this hardware that just felt
special.
Yes.
To me.
You know that.
It's the give. Okay, so an iPhone 10 or 10s.
Yeah. God, that notch looks big. We've both been playing with the S10, and then that thing seems big now.
Yes, that's a OnePlus.
5. 6, what are we talking about? You see how we just merged those memories? This summer's Hollywood blockbuster, The Forgotten Notch. Dave 2D starring as Leonardo DiCaprio.
I remember this.
With the offset earpiece.
I've seen this thing.
Same. Whatever that phone is, I've used it.
Yeah.
Huawei P20. Oh!
Oh, that's what it was.
I feel like we should have known that one. Okay, what do you got next? I know what this is, or I think I do.
It's got the health logo from the previous phone. So that's the, I don't know.
Because of the icons, this is Huawei again, but this is the P20. That's what I answered last. Scroll down. Okay. Yeah. Holy moly, finally. Sheesh. In the comments right now, they're like, you guys
suck.
You're an idiot.
You guys are tech reviewers?
I hate you. I'm subscribing it so I can unsubscribe again.
Let's see the last one. I don't think it's an LG phone.
No? Show us, Will. We don't know.
What is it?
Neither of us know. I said that earlier. Man, smartphones, there's a lot of notches out there. 2019 is a notch zone, except if you're Samsung.
You're notch free for life.
They're embracing the hole punch life. They're not calling it a notch. So the hole punch to you does not qualify as a notch.
No. A notch, by definition, is a, it's got to come in. It's got to be like a peninsula of material, right? This is an island.
I like what you're doing here. I'm not sure I understand it.
The hole punch is an island.
Which notch are you going for out of the bunch, including hole punch? Which design is Dave 2D embracing and endorsing in 2019?
It's the OnePlus 6T. That notch feels the most unobtrusive to me.
You talk about the never-ending story notch.
That's right. In a couple years, when the hole punch goes to other phones and it's a little bit cheaper, I think I'd go for that.
And you will also take the hole punch over the slider or the motorized front-facing camera.
I haven't used those mechanisms enough. Long term, I don't know how they hold up. The hole punch looks really clean to me. cleaner in person, and using the phone and seeing how everything interacts with that hole punch, I like the way that it is.
But who knows what's gonna happen? We got folding phones, man.
I know.
So who knows where this is gonna go? But nonetheless, that's where it is. That's where it stands right now. For now, you're a hole punch guy. No cost too great for a guy like Dave 2D. You're gonna have hole punches for days. You're gonna have a briefcase full of hole punches.